Are you looking for the best car wash soaps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car wash soaps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit, 144 Oz. The Aero Cosmetics Wet or Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit tops our chart as one of the best car wash soaps in the market. It's a water-based solvent that is devoid of toxic materials that may be harmful to your cars, such as ammonia and alcohol. That's to say, it's pretty eco-friendly and biodegradable. It may interest you to know that it meets the cleaning specifications of Airbus Industries, Boeing Aircraft, and McDonnell Douglas CDS. Have you ever used a car wash soap that caused you to suffer one or more skin irritations? If you've had such an experience, then you'd appreciate this Aero Cosmetics car wash soap. It's totally skin-friendly without causing eye irritations as well. It cleans and protects your car and leaves a non-stick UV protective coatings on your vehicle surfaces. As a waterless car wash soap, you can use it on your recently washed car. Alternatively, you can mix it with water and still get a great cleaning experience. 1 gallon of this solvent can serve to clean 36 cars when used as a waterless agent. You can comfortably clean 57 cars with an equal volume of the soap when used with water. It also comes with 4 microfiber Aero towels to ensure you dry your cars as best as possible. I really can't spot anything wrong about this product. Every person I've met loves it because it does what it says. Up next in the 4th place is the Chemical Guys Mr. Pink Super Car Wash Soap and Shampoo. Frankly, the brand Chemical Guys is just as cool as their name. It's a household name trusted brand in the market as long as car wash soaps are involved. As expected, the Chemical Guys CWS 402 Mr. Pink Super Car Wash Soap is living up to expectation. It boasts of an advanced cleaning technology that comprises of hyper surfactants and super slick polymers. The mixture doesn't only capture abrasive debris, but also lubricate the surface and remove swirl and scratch marks. The foam is pretty easy to rinse as well without leaving any residue. The soap has a balanced pH that makes it safe for wax and sealant coats. It's versatile and suitable for various forms of surfaces. Also, it foams well when used with a foam gun or any high-pressure washer. However, one of its downsides is that at times, it leaves spots and streaks on the body of the car even when you dry it on time. As I said, it's not always the case. It happens mainly when you wash the car during summer or under direct sunlight. Beyond this, Chemical Guys CWS 402 Car Wash Soap remains one of the best picks in the market. The 3rd product on our list is the Adams Car Wash Shampoo. Let me introduce one of the finest car washes I've ever seen. Adams Car Wash Shampoo is a great choice if you are looking for a spot-free cleaning agent that won't scratch or peel off your car paint or wax. Its new concentrated pH-neutral soap formula makes it safe to be used on any surface, whether glass, plastic, paints, or raw aluminum. With AG Shampoo, you need not be scared of losing any of your car's surfaces as you scrub it clean. Trust me, absolutely car-friendly. AG Shampoo has highly distinguished itself by producing thick, luxurious suds when a little quantity is mixed with water. I'm saying that from just a little product, it produces enough foam and rinses clean every spot, debris, pollen, and contaminants. With every wash, you can be sure of giving your vehicle that sparkling and shining look you earnestly desire. This product comes with varying scents so you can choose what best suits you, whether it's deep blue hue or candy like wild berry. These scents are specially selected to help you enjoy washing your car all day. It also works better in hand wash than touchless wash. 2nd on our list is the MEGUIAR'S Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner. The MEGUIAR'S G7164 Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner is a unique and classy car wash. What a combined value for your money in just one product. So, before you buy new paint for your car, you can decide to try out this conditioning car wash. This 2-in-1 goodness is designed with a 2-in-1 action package. This means that you can wash your car clean and condition the car paint as well. Hence, MEGUIAR'S Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner helps your vehicle paint to remain bright and durable. This unique blend of surfactants in just one wash offers added protection for your automobile. It completely eliminates every dirt and other kinds of contaminants stuck to your vehicle, while the conditioner reveals the glowing color of your automobile. This means that you can now be extra confident when riding your car after a wash. In addition, it also has a perfect cleaning action when combined with water. Just a little quantity will wash a vehicle, leaving it sparkling like it's brand new. For best results, clean with MEGUIAR Water Magnet Microfiber Drying Towel. I consider this product to be one of the best in the market, and I couldn't find any faults when my team and I used it. However, when using MEGUIAR'S G7164 Gold Class Car Wash and Shampoo, it would great if you wipe off immediately after rinsing to avoid spotting. Finally, the top product on our list is the Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Wax Car Wash Soap. This is another brilliant product from Chemical Guys designed to offer a scratch-free experience when washing your car regardless of the car's paint. With Chemical Guys CWS 20764 Extreme Body Wash and Wax Car Wash Soap, you can be assured of a spotless clean rinse because of its pH-balanced formula. Interestingly, its wax formula promptly removes dirt and grease from your car's surface without tagging the car paint along. This means that as you wash using this car wash soap, your car's paint is secured from fading away. Also, Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Car Wash Soap possesses a unique color brightening technology obtained from two special kinds of waxes. The natural carnauba wax mixed with a synthetic man-made wax adds double protection to the existing wax coating and leaves your car brand new just after one wash. With this product, you don't need to use too much before you get your desired result. About 2 ounces of Chemical Guys Extreme Body Wash and Car Wash in a 5-gallon bucket of water will produce enough suds to wash a whole car. Really economical, isn't it? I haven't heard anyone complain about this product. This Extreme Body Wash and Car Wash from Chemical Guys is one of the best you can ever find. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.